It seems Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addi are gearing up to take the dancehall by storm with the official release of their new single Skinny Jeans. The duo is coining the moniker UTG, which is an abbreviation for Uptown Gaza. A post previewing the newly released song was made to Vybz Kartel's Instragam page 3 days ago. His fans immediately erupted in excitement and started to express their desire to have the full release. Their desires were fulfilled, as Skinny Jeans was released to Likkle Vybz's YouTube page on September 19, 2019. With their father being the lyricist of dancehall music, it is no surprise that the song would pack a punch. The young entertainers proudly sing about their apparel, wear what you feel like wear, me wear what me feel like wear. Jamaicans have an obsession with the Clarks brand and they are no different. They sing, Bankrobber Clarks and Skinny Jeans. What kinda Clarks that you in a knockoff, you make Bobus laugh. Vybz Kartel caused a frenzy in 2010 when he released the track titled, Clarks. The track, which also featured Popcorn and Gaza Slim, was a mega hit. He followed Clarks with 2 other successful tracks, Clarks Again and Where You Have on their Wallaby Rhythm. The songs reignited the fire for the much-loved Desert Clarks, which saw an increase in the price as a result of the high demand. Skinny Jeans was released on the Vybz Kartel music label and is being distributed by Johnny Wonder. Many are saying the future of dancehall looks promising and Likkle Vybz and Likkle Addi may just be the ones leading the charge.